Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Today we're going to do a quick review of multiplying fractions. We're going to practice the procedure for multiplying fractions and then also talk about putting fractions in simplest form. There are 6 of these story problems for you to do in a Google form today. Okay, let's get started. By the time all the guests left, there was only half of a pizza left from the pizza party. And you decide to eat 1/3 of the leftovers as a snack before heading to bed. What fraction of a pizza do you eat before bed? Notice this word, we're eating 1/3 of the leftovers. So here we're taking a portion or a piece of a fraction. This is a signal to you that you need to multiply these two fractions. We're going to take 1/3 of 1/2. On the model here, you can see that 1/2 of the pizza is shown. This half has already been eaten, so it's gone. Then looking at the 1/2 that's remaining, you can see that that half has been cut into 3 equal pieces. If you are just going to eat 1/3 of 1/2, what fraction of the whole pizza is this? You can see visually that it's 1/6 of the whole pizza. Okay, let's look at how to do this mathematically. We're going to take 1/3 and multiply it times 1/2. When we multiply fractions, we just need to multiply straight across the numerators. So 1 times 1 equals 1, and straight across the denominators. 3 times 2 equals 6. So this one is easy because it's already in simplest form. There's nothing additional we need to do here. Okay, let's look at this example. After eating some of the chocolate bar, you realize you can't eat it all by yourself. You only have 3/4 left. So you give 1/3 of what is left to your friend. What fraction of the chocolate bar did your friend get? So here we're going to say that 3/4 of the chocolate bar is what is left. So this portion is gone. You've already eaten that. And you're going to give 1/3 of that 3/4 that's remaining to your friend. So this word of kind of signals to me that I'm taking a piece of a fraction. So I need to multiply. 1/3 times 3/4 means I'm going to multiply straight across my numerators and straight across my denominators. That gives me 3/12, and now I need to simplify that. 3 out of every group of 12 can be simplified because 3 and 12 have a factor in common. So this is where we need to remember about finding the greatest common factor. If you list the factors for 3 and 12, what's the biggest factor that's on both lists? The largest factor that these two numbers have in common is 3. So I'm going to divide both my numerator and my denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1, and 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. So this fraction, 3/12, is equivalent to 1/4. And 1/4 is the answer I need to put on my Google form because we always need to put our answers in simplest form if we can. Okay, I'm going to let you solve the remaining 4 problems on your own. Good luck and have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.